Everyone and welcome, and in today's video we are going to look at the common questions using what. Common questions using what. And remember, in the previous video we saw about the 5W questions. The 5W questions. So if you want to know more about what, remember what in Luganda is she. So what in Luganda is she. So stick around until the end of the video. And in the previous video we saw the 5W questions. So if you didn't watch it, please do. Okay, let's continue in today's lesson. The common 5W questions we are learned in the previous video. So today we are going to look at what. Common questions using what. Ebibuuzo ebyenkizo nga tukozesa chi. So what in Luganda is chi. What is chi? Okay, let's go into the questions. Number one is, what is your name? What is your name? What is your name? It's like you're asking someone. So what is your name? And this in Luganda it's going to be
Erinnya lyo gwe ani. Erinnya lyo gwe ani. Erinnya lyo gwe ani.
Remember, we looked at pronouns. For example, you in Luganda it's going to be gwe. You, gwe. So if you didn't look at pronouns, you can review my previous videos. Okay, let's continue. Question 2. What is the time? What is the time? What is the time? And this in Luganda it's going to be essaawa ziri meka. Essaawa ziri meka. Essaawa ziri meka. Question 3. Question 3. What school do you go to? What school do you go to? And in Luganda, it's going to be somero ki gwe lyogendako. Somero ki gwe lyogendako. Okay, the next question. What are you planning? What are you planning? What are you planning? Gwe opanga chi. Gwe opanga chi. Gwe opanga chi. Okay, next question. What do they want? What do they want? What do they want? Remember, we looked at they in Luganda is bo. So this is going to be bo bagala chi. Bo bagala chi. Bo bagala chi. Okay, let's go to the next question. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? And this in Luganda is going to be gwe olowooza ki. Gwe olowooza ki. Gwe olowooza ki. Okay, let's proceed. The next question is, what is it? It's like you're asking, what is it? What is it? And this in Luganda is going to be chichi cho. Chichi cho. Chichi cho. Okay, let's go to the next question. What is your problem? What is your problem? What is your problem? And this in Luganda is going to be obuzibu bwo chi. Obuzibu bwo chi. And we looked at this in the previous video. Obuzibu bwo chi. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Inze kyemba nkukolera. Chi inze kyemba nkukolera. Chi inze kyemba nkukolera. Okay, let's proceed. What can I offer you, please? So this is normally said in restaurants. What can I offer you, please? What can I offer you, please? And this in Luganda is Chi chemba nkuwa bambi, because please is bambi. So chi chemba nkuwa bambi. Chi chemba nkuwa bambi. Okay, the next question is, what is the price? What is the price? You are inquiring about the price for something. What is the price? Kya sente meka. That's in Luganda. Kya sente meka. Kya sente meka. Remember, money is sente. So, kya sente meka. Okay, let's proceed. What do you have? What do you have? What do you have? Mulina chi. Mulina chi. Okay, let's go to the last question. What are you selling? What are you selling? What are you selling? What are you selling? And this in Luganda is going to be mwe mutunda chi. Mwe mutunda chi. Mwe mutunda chi. Mwe mutunda chi. Those were the 13 common questions using what. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please note, at Beni Beni we learn English and Luganda with ease. Bye bye. Wait a while.